Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix Beats Solo3 not turning on. So there are a few steps we can do that, but it is the major problem because if this doesn't fix you, it means something internally is broken. So the first things first, what we can try is by cleaning the part and basically charging your headphones again and see if this LED even works. If that doesn't work, it means your battery is dead and needs to be changed. And the other way we can do that is by holding this button down for about 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds it should start blinking, and that means it will reset the headphones and it should turn on again. So hold a little bit, and now as you can see, you will be able to connect to your headphones again. So that's pretty much it, guys. If that doesn't work, you can try plugging your headphones to actually charging it and then trying to hold the button. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.